Does the edging between your grass and your flower beds bother you? Well, they always bother me. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy, simple, cheap solution on how to fix that. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. So today we're going to talk about a nice, easy method that anybody can do to clean up the edges between your beds and your grass. So we're going to be using these bricks that I got at Home Depot. Normally they're 68 cents a piece, and I got them for $4 for $1. And the sale is going on until May 29th. So check out your Home Depot. Alright, so as I said in my last video, I usually only buy 30 at a time because they're usually 68 cents a piece, but you know, I lucked out at $4 for $1. So I took 80 of them right now, and I'm going to start putting them down and then see what else I need. I don't want to overbuy, and I didn't want to put more than 80 in the car because I have this flooring right here. Somebody, a good friend of ours, called us up and she was going to get rid of it, so we took it. You know, I never know what I can do with it, so we have that as well, and that adds weight into the car. So I'm going to start unloading these and continue where I left off. So like I showed you once before, you see I started edging them right along here, and then I continued around that bend, and I'm going to go over to there. But I think for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue on this side. So the first thing I have to do is I'm using my flat edge shovel right there, and I'm just going to straighten out the edge slightly, push the stones back, and then straighten out this edge slightly so the bricks can lay right up against the grass. All right, so I'm chugging along here, and I got to this middle part right here, and I thought just to, you know, change it up a little bit, add a little bit interest, I put the 4 in a soldier course this way. Maybe I'll find something and put it right there, a little ornamental thing. And now I am continuing chugging along here. I used no mortar and no underlayment. I just used the ground and the gravel that I had and made them even. Okay, so here you go. So you can see it creates a nice clean edge for me as I'm mowing, and then I just have to use the edger instead of going down on the sides, especially since I have the gravel. You know, the edger will cause that to fly up and everything. So look how pretty that looks in this area right here, and it's just a nice clean edge that I'm really happy with. I also did it here along the this shape out here, and I need to get more gravel, but you can see, for me, I can see anyway, what a difference it makes. It's just a nice clean edge that I'm really happy with, and it's easy. Okay everybody, thanks for stopping by today. Don't forget, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and join our Facebook group, Life with MaryAnn and Joe. And don't forget, get to Home Depot and check out these bricks, $4 for $1. It's only a couple more days. All right everybody, take care, bye-bye, have a good one.